Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best microwave ring is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, yet it plays a crucial role in ensuring your food is heated evenly. This often unseen part is essential for the smooth rotation of your turntable, allowing microwaves to reach every angle of your meal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of microwave rings, exploring what makes a great one and how it can enhance your cooking experience. Number 5. Microwave Turntable Ring, 8.7 diameter, 2-pack. Is your microwave turntable ring broken? This replacement ring is designed to get your microwave working like new again. It's a simple fix that can save you money. This ring has an outer diameter of 8.7 inches and an inner diameter of 8.2 inches. The wheel height is 0.59 inches. Make sure these dimensions match your current ring before ordering. Made from high-temperature resistant PPS plastic, this ring is built to last. It's also corrosion resistant, flame retardant, and lightweight, ensuring long-term performance. Installing this ring is easy. Simply replace your old ring with this new one. It's a quick and straightforward process that anyone can do. You'll receive two 8.7-inch microwave turntable rings in the package. Please note that the turntable plate and coupler are not included. Before you buy, double-check the inner and outer diameters, as well as the wheel height, of your existing ring. This will ensure that it is compatible with your microwave. What we like? This ring is made from PPS plastic, offering superior resistance to high temperatures and corrosion. Its lightweight design ensures smooth and efficient rotation. If you're looking for a durable and reliable replacement that can withstand the heat, this is the one for you. What people say? The size was perfect and it works great. My microwave would not work without it. The rollers were broken off. The new circle fit perfectly. Microwave is back in business. Exactly what I needed, same size replacement turntable ring. Number 4. 2-piece microwave oven turntable support roller ring. This is a set of 2 roller rings designed to support your microwave's glass tray. It's a perfect fit for microwave glass plates above 11.8 inches. This will keep your food rotating smoothly. The outer diameter is 8.66 inches, and the inner diameter is 8.2 inches. The wheels are about 0.57 inches tall. Make sure it fits your microwave before you buy it. This roller ring is easy to install. It has 3 small wheels for smooth rotation. It's designed to keep your food rotating evenly. You'll receive 2 large microwave oven glass carousel tray support rings in a box. They are brown in color. This is a great value for your money. Before purchasing, measure the diameter of your old roller ring and the wheels. This will ensure that it is compatible with your microwave. This will save you time and effort. What we like? This ring features a design with 3 small wheels, ensuring your food rotates smoothly and evenly. It's designed to perfectly fit microwave glass plates above 11.8 inches. If you have a larger microwave and want a reliable, easy-to-install solution, this is a great choice. What people say? This item, the tray roller for a GE microwave, is a perfect fit. Plus it includes a second one for when the first wears out. Make sure you order correct size for your microwave. It was a precise replacement for the one that was damaged. When I moved, my new place had a pre-installed microwave, the GE microwave, that was missing the guide rollers. I looked up the part number WB06X10139 and I could have bought a new microwave for what the OEM wanted for the guide roller assembly. So I was glad to find this alternative that has been working great for a couple weeks now. And I have 2 of them. I didn't need 2 of them, but I have an extra, that's called added value. Number 3. 8.8 microwave turntable ring. This is a replacement ring for your microwave. It's designed to support the glass plate. It ensures your food is heated evenly. Before you buy, make sure it fits your microwave. Measure the outer diameter of your old ring, which should be about 8.8 inches. Also, check the roller height, which should be 15 millimeters. The outer diameter is 8.8 inches, or 22.2 centimeters. The roller height is 15 millimeters. Make sure these dimensions match your needs. This ring is made of high-quality plastic. It's built to last, making it a great replacement for your old or broken one. You'll receive one 8.8-inch microwave turntable ring. It has a roller height of 15 millimeters. Get yours today and keep your microwave running smoothly. The rollers come in different heights, 12 millimeters, 15 millimeters, and 18 millimeters. If you select the wrong height, it won't fit. If the roller is too small, the plate won't balance. If it's too tall, the plate won't stay centered or turn. What we like. Made from high-quality plastic, this ring is built to last, offering a reliable replacement for your old or broken one. It's easy to install, but make sure you measure your old ring first. If you want a long-lasting and easy-to-install solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This one fits and serves our purpose. I followed the instructions regarding the size of the wheels, and it works perfectly with my 21-year-old microwave. Perfect fit for my GE 1000-watt microwave. Number 2. Microwave Turntable Ring, 2 PCS. This microwave turntable ring is suitable for microwave oven glass plates above 11.8 inches. It ensures your food rotates smoothly and evenly during heating. The outer diameter is 8.78 inches, and the inner diameter is 8.23 inches. The roller diameter is 9/16 inches. Please confirm the size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Made of high-quality plastic, this ring is built for long-lasting use. It can withstand high temperatures, ensuring it remains reliable. Designed with 3 small wheels, this ring helps your food heat quickly and evenly. It's an essential accessory for your microwave oven's turntable. The package includes 2 microwave oven plate tray rotating rings. Please note that this is not a universal product, so size confirmation is crucial before you buy it. What we like. This ring is designed with 3 small wheels, ensuring your food heats quickly and evenly. It's made of high-quality plastic for long life usage. If you have a microwave with a glass plate above 11.8 inches and want even heating, you should consider this. What people say. Works like a charm in my Toshiba ML-EM45 pit, BS, 1.6 CU DFT. Before purchasing, I did carefully measure the diameter and wheels on the old one. Seems to be better constructed than the one provided by Toshiba. Perfect fit and very economical replacement part. Fit perfect. Same quality and the original. Would recommend. Number 1. Microwave oven turntable ring replacement. Is your microwave turntable ring broken? This replacement is a perfect solution. It's designed to get your microwave working like new again. This ring has an outer diameter of 7.45 inches. It's crucial to measure your old ring before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. This will ensure that it fits your microwave. Made from high-temperature resistant PPS material, this ring is built to last. It's a durable replacement for your old or broken microwave ring, ensuring long-lasting performance. The design includes 3 small wheels for ultra-stable rotation. This feature allows your food to rotate evenly, ensuring quick and consistent heating throughout the microwave. This microwave tray turntable ring is lightweight yet sturdy, with a strong load-bearing capacity. It's an essential component for your microwave's turntable function. The package includes 1 microwave oven ring. Remember to measure your old ring's diameter before purchasing. Thank you for choosing this product. What we like. This ring is made from high-temperature resistant PPS material, ensuring durability and longevity. Its ultra-stable function and lightweight design provide a smooth and reliable rotation. If you like a durable and stable ring, this is the one for you. What people say. It works just like it should. Exactly what was needed. Dies worden einzigen beider, der Außen, und Innendurchmesser der Drehungs in cm und dazu gut sichtbar angegeben hat. Dan die Rill für den Dreidler im Boden der Mikrowelle ausmessen und schon hat alles gepasst. Smiley face dazu noch mal ein Bild von dem Ring auf meiner Bastelmat mit cm Einteilung. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.